What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is David Cantero with InspiredDigital.com, where I drop daily videos on social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and making money online. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash the bell for notifications so you're notified every single day I drop a new video. And comment below. Let me know where you're coming from. Let me know what type of business you're building online, and let me know how I can bring value to what you got going on. In today's video, you guys, today's a special day. I got a special guest in the office. Yours truly, Mini-Me.
Hi.
That is my boy, my handsome son, Christian. And he just got to the office here. He's on summer vacation, and we're just chilling out, right? We're chilling out, getting ready to go see a movie. What are we going to watch today, actually?
Avengers Endgame.
We're going to watch Avengers. Even though he's already seen it before, we're going to watch it again.
Yeah.
But he had... What's so cool is that when I was little, man, when I was in elementary, we didn't have too much opportunity. Like, there wasn't too much opportunity as far as, like when you were on vacation, like different, maybe there was, but I grew up in the hood where my parents did not have me like in crazy after school programs. If anything, we were in sports. Like, I played sports my whole life, so I was always into baseball, always into basketball, always playing football. I was always on different teams, but as far as academically, I wasn't like heavily involved. And so nowadays what I do is I'm making sure that my son is always doing something when it comes to extracurriculum, when it comes to furthering his knowledge in education. So his mom and I have always been putting him in private tutoring. He's always been in different after school programs. And so he's on summer break right now, and what they have is they have this college for kids type of program where these elementary kids can take classes at the local college. So here where we live in San Diego, the college is about maybe 5 minutes away from us. So we enrolled him in a few different classes. And what classes have you taken so far?
I've taken junior entrepreneurs,
Junior entrepreneurship,
debate class, and filmmaking.
Filmmaking.
Yep.
That's like insanely amazing, man. Like, so if I had that type of opportunity, maybe I did. We just didn't know of it, you know? But if I had that opportunity as a 6th grader to attend college classes on summer vacation, I would be probably so much more further. Like, it's not even funny. But what I did do is I did go to summer school. So I did go to summer school, but it was at our school. Like, so it wasn't like nothing different. It was just like, you know, it felt like we just weren't even on summer break because we were in class, but it was summer school, you know what I mean? But it was mainly to make up classes or to maybe take future classes. So what I did is I took future classes, which kind of allowed me to get ahead. But these kids, you know, my son, he took actual college classes, which were really, really cool. You know, 6th graders, a bunch of incoming 6th graders just learning about, you know, really, really future type of stuff. So yesterday, long story short, man, yesterday was the last day of his debate class. And they had a debate. They were live. There was a camera crew there. And I wanted him to kind of talk about, in fact, right before I turned on the camera here for you guys, we were getting ready to talk about it because I just asked him. I said, "Hey, man, how'd your debate? What do you call it? It's not a debate show, but what do you call it? A debate freaking event, or what was it called?"
Our final debate.
Yeah, their final debate. So I'm over here asking him, you know, how was his final debate, and he was about to go in and spill the beans and tell me everything about it. And I said, you know what? Because he told me the topic, and I'm like, wait a minute, I could probably debate you right now. Because I kind of disagree with what he was debating about. So I wanted to kind of, you know, get it on camera and just kind of share our differences in opinions, because now that I know what he debated on, I'm going to see if I can maybe just debate him, because I kind of have a different view about it. So what did you guys debate on? What was the topic, and how did it go?
Should cell phones be allowed in school? And we said no. Okay,
so what do you guys think, man? What do you guys think? Like, cell phones in school, should they be allowed in school? Now, we're talking elementary school. We're talking elementary, you know, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th grade. What do you guys think? Okay, so Christian, you guys, your debate team, you guys said that they should not be allowed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to know why.
It's because lots of the facts that we had is because they're distracting. They could get you in trouble. They're a distraction to others and yourself, and they could be causes cheating. Plus, there's no purpose for them because say you need to use the calculator or something, there's already the school materials you need there.
Man, that's actually some good points there, to tell you the truth.
And if you lose your phone, that's a big responsibility on yourself.
Yeah.
And they cost like a couple $100, so that wouldn't be nice if you lose it.
Yeah. And see, that's what I don't get either. I don't understand that, man. These kids that are in school, that are in elementary, they got the newest iPhones. And I'm like, dude, that's $1,000 phone. Like, what the heck are you doing with an iPhone? Like, you're not making money on it. Like me, I literally make money from my cell phone. I literally pull money from total strangers from my cell phone. I have a need for it. Like, I absolutely do business on it. But these kids, man, you got these kids that are rocking the dopest cell phones, and I'm like, dude, how did your parent buy that phone for you when that's not a cheap phone, and what do you even do on it? You know? So I kind of see your point. I see your point. What I also think though is I think that it's good for security purposes. Like, I want you to be able to call me. Like, if you're walking home from school, like, I need to be able to call you. Like, if you're going to your friend's house after school, like, I need to be able to call you. Like, that's what I truly believe. Like, I don't think a kid needs a fancy phone. I think you need like what we call a throwaway phone. Like a phone that you get from a cell phone store for like $20, and there's not much to it but to dial a phone number or text somebody. That type of phone is what these kids need to be walking around with, just for security, just for peace of mind, so a parent can actually call their kid, or their kid can call their parent after class. But it's these cell phones nowadays, that the iPhones, especially, I have an Android, it's these smartphones that are so freaking smart where there's a million apps on it and you can be online in a second. It's those phones, the smartphones, that I really don't think you guys need. I don't think you guys need these fancy smartphones. But a stupid dummy phone, a phone that can only call or only text. See, what I'm going to do for you is I'm actually going to get you a cell phone, but with no internet connection.
Oh.
Yeah, see? That's the kind of phone you guys need. I think you guys would need that type of cell phone, where at least you can call me, or at least you can text me if you need anything.
Yeah.
That right there is why I believe cell phones should be allowed, but not these fancy smartphones that cause distractions. Because, yeah, it's a smartphone that has every app, and the fact that you can go online and you could be searching and Googling anything you want at any moment, that's a smartphone. So I think smartphones should be banned and dumb phones should be allowed.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay, yeah.
Do you kind of see my point?
Yeah, I do.
Like, if you want to be able to text me or call me, like, you're going into the 6th grade. Like, you're going to want to... You're already saying you want to walk home from school.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, I got to be able to call you.
Yeah.
Like, you got to be able to call me. What if you don't have a cell phone?
Lots of my friends walk home.
Yeah.
And they all have phones.
And they probably call their parents right away after class to let their parents know that they're on their way home or whatever.
Yeah.
But see, you guys debated and saying that wasn't cool to have them.
Well, in class. We don't need them in class.
That changes everything. That changes everything. You said in school. Now you're saying in class.
Yeah. So in school in general. So like in class or like in school. But like after school, yeah, you can.
Okay, so then the debate was about not allowing kids to have phones in class.
Yeah.
Oh, I totally agree with that. Totally agree with that.
Yeah.
Totally agree with that one.
That's why we won, because basically everybody agreed with that, and we kind of had a better like structured presentation than the others. Because we won like 7 votes to like 2 votes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really cool. That's really, really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, phones should not be allowed in class. In fact, phones should not even be allowed at recess. So I think I would vote for phones need to be in your backpack at all times. And if that phone is taken out of your backpack, you get it taken away. Bottom line, you can only take out that phone after class. After class. After that bell rings, boom, take that phone out and do whatever you want to do with it.
Yeah.
But in class, during school hours, no phone. What about that one? Is that cool?
Yeah.
That's what you guys were kind of debating on?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Right on. Good job. So what do you guys think, man? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you believe that phones should be allowed on campus during school hours or only after hours and off campus? So for those of you that have, kids, what do you guys think, man? Because for sure I want to get my son a phone, but he's going to have a dumb phone, not a smartphone, just so I can be able to call him and text him. Going into the 6th grade, I think it's important, to have one. So let me know what you guys think, man. Comment below.
Yeah.
Again, if you're new, subscribe, smash the bell for notifications. We got Christian Cantero, entrepreneur. What was the name of your business when you guys, because he just got out of an entrepreneurship class in the college, program that we're in, and they started their first business. What was the name of your business?
CNC Sweets.
I love it. CNC Sweets, man.
Yeah.
Christian Cantero, CNC Sweets. What were you guys selling?
Cookies and candy.
How much money you guys make?
We made like $60 in total.
What was your investment?
Like 5.
You invested $5 and made 60?
Yeah.
Dang. I'll take that business all day. I'll take those returns all day. That's your profit. So your investment was $5. Your profit was, actually, you made a total of 60?
Yeah.
Okay, so then your profit, the revenue was 60. You invested $5. Your revenue was $60. But your profit, because you have to minus the $5 investment, your profit was $55.
Yeah.
Pretty good. If you can invest $5 and make $55, the question is, how many times can you do that per day?
A lot.
That becomes the question. That is the only name of the game. Is what's our profit? $55. And how many times can we do that per day? Bam. If you can figure out that answer, you're a multi-billionaire.
Yeah.
Subscribe, you guys. We got CNC Sweets. And then debate. We got future attorney? Future lawyer?
Yeah, future lawyer.
Yeah, let's be a lawyer. That'd be cool. But we got to own our own law firm.
Yeah.
We got to own CNC and Associates.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's a good one.
All right, you guys, stay tuned, man, or you will be sued. I got a future lawyer right here ready to sue you. All right, guys, late.
Bye.